Alright, welcome back, friends. Today we're going to work on a little project, our RV door lock. The little membrane has got a little hole in it, so we don't want it to get any water in it or any moisture, so we bought a new membrane on the website, and the last time we changed the batteries, it actually quit beeping, and we'll show you that. But so we bought a new control board basically as well, and very inexpensive parts. So before we started filming, we've already installed it. So the good thing about repairs is I can show you the uninstall and the repair and then the reinstall, so you get the full spectrum video right here. All right, stay tuned and we'll be right back. Give you a quick little synopsis of what's going on here. The lock button right there in the center, we got a little break in that membrane, so we bought a new one to put on there, and for whatever reason it quit beeping, so we don't know what's going on with it. So let's get it apart and find out. To do this little project, it's super easy. We got our drill with our Phillips, or you can just use a regular screwdriver with the number 2 Phillips. There's 4 screws on the keypad or on the door handle itself, and there's 2 screws on the front striker plate here that we're going to take off. We're going to start with the front one here. Out, set them aside. Just gently work it out so it comes out, and you can see the wire connection right here. We need to pull that apart. Looks like just a squeeze and tug. Pulls the inside door plate off. And the outside door plate, all you have to do is you want to start at this edge. Pull this edge out first because you got the striker there, and slides out just like that. Too easy. Alright, so it appears there's 5 screws holding this keypad on, which correlates with the 5 screws on the new keypad. So, now mind you, I've never done this before. This is my first time. So, looking at it, just kind of doing an inspection, kind of memorizing what goes where. There seems to be a bit of sealant right here, holding this smaller plug in. I don't know if it's holding that in. It felt like it was holding it in. So we will determine how to put it back. We don't want to get too strong with it and end up doing more damage, but let's just see how it comes apart, or where it comes apart. So just a easy pry up, watching for these seals. There you have it. There's the keypad out. Easy enough. So to take this apart, it's just stuck to the front of it, like so. It's just like a sticker, I guess. That's where the new one will go to. You always use a screwdriver on a part like this. You don't want to use a drill or an impact. Just be too much. You just need these snug. That way you don't end up breaking it more. Alright, seeing as how this is a sticker, we're going to go ahead and take a little alcohol and wipe around here just to make sure it's clean so the sticky part sticks. We're just using normal household rubbing alcohol. I get to see my stickum skills here. Perfect. That almost never happens, but it's perfect. And there you have it. Let's get it back installed. All right. And take the opportunity while the door latch is out to use a little bit of this white lithium grease from WD-40 and just to get inside of the mechanism here and get it worked in there real well to just protect it and lubricate it. Perfect. We're all sprayed in here and lubricated, so essentially the process is just the opposite of taking it out. And this is exactly how it would be if you were buying this brand new and installing it. So we're just going to take and go in at an angle and slide it in. But we're going to make sure we come out the hole right here with the striker. Like so. Oop. Make sure your cable comes out this side. There we go, like that. Cable's here, our striker's here. So this peg right here has got a flat spot, and that correlates to what's on your lock here. So you're just gonna line up this flat spot with that flat spot. Plug it in. Oh, I heard something. Make sure our cables are out of the way, not getting pinched. Line up our lock. The sun of my eyes, can't see what I'm doing. There we go. Nope. There we go. Lock comes out. Handle works. And just like that, and done. There you have it, friends. It's all done.
Another project.
Checked off the list.
Another project added to the list.
This is our life.
You do you.
Just remember, this is our life. She's not here. But the real question is it going to beep? Go ahead. Do it.
Aren't you glad? Do it for me.
Go ahead. Do it. You can come around, Michael.
No, that's not this stuff.
Oh.
You don't care about you.
Everybody cares about me. Airplane.
Okay.
Alright. I think I'm getting tired of, well, there you have it.
And don't use it.
I don't know what else to say.
That's where it happened.
Alright, friends. There you have it. Alright. Another project checked off the list there, so what else is there?
A lot.
Oh. Another project checked off the list. Super easy. Something we've been meaning to do, just haven't had time. What do you think, babe?
I'm glad the beep's back.
I'm glad the beep's back too.